Hello everyone, this is Stepan and today I want to try a new trick I just saw in a show when to create a chromatic look lips. Let me see how it's gonna turn out. To do this I will use Mehron in silver and I will combine it with MAC Lipglass. I'll use the spatula, small jar, I already put Mehron inside, and we'll add lipstick. Let's see what the proportion is. Okay, I mixed not too much of lip gloss and a bit of Mehron. Let's see how it will turn out on my lips. I will apply starting with a small brush. Okay, for the small one I will use J-Sub brush. Let's try to apply it and create the outline since I did not use any pencil. Let's do the bottom part. We'll create a bigger mouth today. First is done, let's do the top one. And that's it. Doesn't look good. Okay, this is good. Today I used just two products, MAC Lip Gloss and Mehron Metallic Powder in silver products. As you can see, my mouth is pretty futuristic. You won't put it on like a regular day, but you could try. Lights is the key. Okay, this is the final result. As you can see with the lights, you can see this is very chromatic. It's like liquid silver on my lips. Foils! We can apply foils as well and create like whole furniture, I would say. Old lips effect. Beautiful. You can do the same on the eyes, on the cheeks, on your nose, on everything. But we will end out this pretty fast. Like that. See you.